Hello students, I am Aniket Kirsch and today in Value Education we are going to start lesson 10. The name of the chapter is Dignity of Labor. In a small town of Andhra Pradesh, there was a man named Aditya. He was a generous and kind-hearted man. Generous means very kind, soft-hearted person. He helped needy and poor people by donating food, clothes and money. One day, he decided to go for a walk. While walking, he entered the forest. There he saw an old man carrying a heavy bundle of wood. Aditya was a soft hearted man and felt pity for old man. He asked him, "Why do you work so hard? You are so old and weak." The old man replied humbly, "Sir, it is true that I am an old man, but I wish to work as long as I am alive." Aditya was anxiously, "Haven't you heard the name of Aditya? Why don't you take this help?" "My conscience does not allow me to take anybody's help," said the old man firmly. Self-help is the best help. Noble indeed are the people who accept the importance of work and believe that work is the highest form of worship. One day, George Washington, the first president of USA, was returning home. On the way, he noticed some soldiers trying to lift a heavy dog. In fact, they were short of one helping hand. Seeing this, George Washington got down from his horse, went to the corporal and said, "Gentlemen, if you help them, I am sure they will be all able to lift the log very easily." So, what was the reply of him? "I am the corporal, their officer. Why should I help them? It is not my job to do so," replied the corporal. "Oh, is that so? I never knew that," said Washington to him. He helped the soldiers by lifting the log and said, "If you are short of men, send a word to me whenever you need my help." "But who are you?" asked the corporal. "My name is George Washington," he said with a smile. The corporal felt deeply ashamed and apologized to him. Thus, George Washington made him understand that God has given strength and great potential to men. It is man's responsibility to use the strength in the best possible way. Always remember that hard work is the key to success. It is golden path. No work is big or small. It is our attitude which makes it look big or small. Once a great scholar, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, was passing through a railway station. A young man with a suitcase in his hand was calling out, "Coolie, coolie." The station was very small, so no coolie was available there. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar offered his help. He carried the suitcase of the young man for him. The young man followed him. When they reached the entrance to the station, the young man offered him some money. Vidyasagar did not accept the money. He replied gently, "Young man, I did not help you for money. I don't need money at all. You save it for yourself." The young man had come to the town to get admission in a college. As soon as he reached the principal's office, he was surprised to see the same person who had carried his suitcase seated in the principal's chair. He came to know that the man was the famous scholar Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, who was the principal of that college. He felt ashamed and apologized to him. It is truly said, God helps those who help themselves. Remember, love for dignity of labor will definitely enable you to march on the path of progress and success. Every kind of work is important for the upliftment of our story. So, in this, as we read this chapter, we have seen three stories out there, right? In the starting, we have just seen some simple general story, and then second is about the George Washington was the first president of the USA, and then after that, this third story is about the Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. So in this, we have seen that what they are trying to tell us, what they are, teaching us, what moral values it is, they are teaching us is that we should do our own work, even we should help wherever it is possible, right? And we should not take the help of others. Like this, in this case, the young man was not able, even he was looking for the coolie for this small, just a small, for this small to his goods to this from one place to another place, or this small, in a station. So what we learned is that we should help ourselves, or self-help is the best help. Okay, so let's see what all questions are there in the exercise. So in the first story, in this three stories we have seen. First story is about the Aditya, second one is about the George Washington, and in third we have seen Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. So in the first story, who was a generous and kind-hearted person? We have seen it's Aditya, right? Then who said self-help is the best help? George Washington, Aditya's brother, and the old man. The old man said, right? The old man said the self-help is the best help. Who was Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar? A painter, a poet, a scholar, a musician. We all know that Ishwar Chandra Sagar is a poet, a very famous poet, and even he was, in this story we have seen, he was a principal in that college, right? And then next, who was George Washington? This is also GK question, we can say. The first Prime Minister of USA, the first Finance Minister of the King, or the President of USA? The first President, right? The first President of USA. So here the President of USA. How did Ishwar Chandra help the young man? He carried his suitcase outside the station. He helped the young man reach the station. He carried his two cases outside the station. He went along with the young man to his college, right? So here he was having only one suitcase, so he carried his suitcase outside the station, right? So this is the correct one. Now next, true or and false, right? So the soldiers were short of one more helping hand. Yes, true. We have seen in which in the story of this George Washington, right? Aditya was a cruel man. False. He was a very generous and kind person. It is our attitude which makes any work big or small. Obviously, work is the highest form of worship. True. Work is worship. We all know, right? Whatever work we do, we should do it with as a worship. God has given us strength and great potential. Yes, true. Obviously. So true, false, true. Okay. Now next, answer the following questions. Why was Aditya feeling sorry for the old man? Aditya was feeling sorry for the old man as he was too old and he was having that heavy bundle of goods in his he was carrying in that age. So that's why, and he was not able to he was not helping, he was not taking help of others. That's why he was feeling sorry. What was the old man's reply when Aditya asked him, "Why do you work so hard?" He replied, "Because." So what was the old man's reply when Aditya asked him, "Why do you work so hard?" So in this, the old man replied, "As I want to work as long as I alive." Right? It was the attitude of that old person. See. What was the corporal's reply to the George Washington when he was asked to help the soldiers? What corporal replied? He said, I am their officer, so it's not my duty. Right? So this was the reply of this corporal, right, to the George Washington. Then after, George Washington helped them, and what he taught them, that we should work as much as we are having so much strength, so we must work, right? We must help if it is possible. Why did the corporal refuse to help the soldiers lift the log? Because his attitude was that he is officer, so he should not help them, right? He's the officer of that soldiers, so it's not my duty, I will not work, like that he replied, right? That's why he refused. What is the moral of this story? Self-help is the best help, right? This is the moral of this story. Okay, now next, fill in the blanks with correct words given in the box. There was no dash available at the station. There was no coolie available at the station. This we have seen, right? It was in the case of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar in that story. Dash was the president of USA. George Washington was the president of USA, first president of USA. The old man was carrying a heavy dash of woods, heavy bundle of woods. In this starting we have seen in this chapter, right? Ishwar Chandra was the dash of the college principal. He was a poet, and principal at the college, right? So here we will write this one as 4, right? 4. Dash is the key to success. Hard work, obviously. Hard work is very important to achieve anything. So here we will write hard work, right? 5th one. So 43152. Okay. Now next, here we have an activity. Write a paragraph on hard work always pays. Hard work always pays. Means what? Whenever you put your 100% effort on any task, suppose in education or anything, right? We want to crack any exam. So if you are giving your 100%, we are working hard, then definitely it pays, right? We will achieve that. If you will not, even if you are preparing for an exam and you will not be able to crack that exam, you will not pass that exam, then also that knowledge will give you something. You will be able to crack some other exam, or maybe somewhere that knowledge will be used, but that hard work will be paid, right? By the nature, actually. So that's it for today. Thank you. I hope that you understood this, and you learned something from this chapter. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.